Hi everyone. Here's the thing. I know that most of the universities they have closed their applications by this time, but I want us to talk about the application for the honors, masters, and PhDs. I think maybe some universities are now open, maybe until late next year. Some of the things that I think we know, or maybe not sure of, or we are kind of oblivious to when it comes to these um, applications. So I want to base this on my experience as well as a agriculture student, how I've seen this thing work in my department or other department as well as other faculties or universities. So the first thing I want to talk about is picking a potential supervisor. So, like I said, I want to base this on my experience or how I've seen. For me, in biological sciences or agriculture, I've called the supervisors to talk to them about their projects. It was a long time ago. There was no chat GPT then to help me structure my emails or anything. I was just calling them to find out what they're busy with. Thing is about these supervisors, especially in biological sciences, they do have money. They have a lot of money in terms of operational costs for the projects. They may not have money for the bursary to pay you, but there is definitely money for the research. So you call, maybe let's say for example for me, maybe I'm interested in studying sorghum, maybe I'm interested in studying soybean or sunflower. This researcher at the potential university I want to go to has this research going on. So they are going to have projects on soybean or whatever that they are going on that they want students. So they might say, this is what I have, what do I align with, or what speaks to me to choose as a project. So I can't say I'm interested in studying avocados. I want to study under you. First of all, good for you for wanting to study avocados, but it's not my interest. The supervisor might have to refer you to another university, their colleagues that they know they're busy with certain type of research. Because I'm going to ask you, if you want to do research on avocados, do you have money, operational costs for this? Do you know where you're going to get your samples? Have you made contacts? Because of, as a supervisor, you look for funding from wherever you're doing for the projects that you want, and that you employ students to come work under your lab. Thing is, when you also want to apply for bursaries, you can ask these supervisors for what? For those proposals that they've used to seek for funding, to take the information there to apply, to put them on your application form, either for the NRF or any source of funding that you're applying to. Then only then they will accept you, and then you will apply for ethical clearance. Because before then, yes, you apply to the university, the applications go to